Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. In today's video, I bring to you the amazing and powerful sesame seeds. I love this seed so much. It can be used in a variety of baked goods, as a toppings for bread, salad, rolls, crackers, you name it. It can be used for so many things. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you the top 8 health benefits of sesame seeds. And we also have the sesame seed oil, which also has a lot of benefits. So sit back, relax, let's dive into the video.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss.
And it goes a little something like
If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and please do not forget to share my video if you like it. And also, please subscribe, it's free. And for all my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you. Sesame seeds are small flavorsome oil seeds from the sesame herbaceous. They can be used in a variety of baked goods, such as topping for breads and rolls, or as fat substitute in other food products. Several varieties of sesame seeds are known, such as brown or black, but the brown seeds are considered to be the most flavorful of them all. They can be found in the form of oil, flour, meal, 70% protein concentrate, and butter. May suit arthritic. Osteoarthritis is the most common cause of joint pain and frequently affects the knees. Several factors may play a role in arthritis, including inflammation and oxidative damage to the cartilage that cushions the joint. Sesamin, a compound in sesame seeds, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that may protect your cartilage. May aid hormonal balance during menopause. Sesame seeds contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that are similar to hormonal estrogen. Therefore, sesame seeds might be beneficial for women when estrogen levels drop during menopause. Easy to add to your diet. Sesame seeds can give a nutty flavor and subtle crunch to many dishes. To enhance the flavor and nutrient availability of sesame seeds, roast them until they reach a light golden brown. Try adding sesame seeds to your bread, muffins, yogurt, salad, garnishes, etc.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, I'd like to love you, love you.
Ever since the day that you went away,
Nutritious source of plant protein. Sesame seeds supply 5 grams of protein per serving. To maximize protein availability, try roasting your sesame seeds. The roasting process reduces oxalates and phytates compound that hamper your digestion and absorption of protein. Good for healthy skin. The high zinc content helps produce collagen, giving skin more elasticity and helping repair damaged body tissues. Regular use of sesame oil can reduce skin cancer. Prevents wrinkles. Sesame seed oil prevents harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun from damaging your skin, preventing the appearance of wrinkles and pigmentation. Help your baby's health. Sesame oil is warming and provides the babies with warmth upon massaging, which is much needed in winter season. The oil is quite thick, hence needs to be warmed up before massaging onto the body. Heat the oil until it is warm to touch. Then massage generously on the skin. good for respiratory health. The magnesium in sesame seeds helps prevent respiratory disorders by preventing airway spasm and asthma. So we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is the best time for you to do so. Please kindly subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, okay? Subscribe, it's free. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.
Body, I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her, you